Welcome to Home of Math. We are starting part 4 from number 12. Topics is algebraic manipulation, exercise 2G. Today we will simplify the following algebraic expression. Number 12, a square minus b square divide a plus b whole square divide a minus b whole square divide 5a. So as per a square minus b square formula, we can write a plus b times a minus b. This one everybody we know, and this a plus b whole square we can write a plus b times a plus b. And here is divide. If we multiply, the denominator will become numerator fa, and this one a minus b whole square we can write a minus b times a minus b. Okay, now here is a minus b we can cut. Here is a plus b we can cut. So our answer is, here is left 5a, and here is a plus b and a minus b we can write a square minus b square. So it's not tough math, but we should concentrate in our math. This one, for simplification, we can write this, or we can write 5a a plus b into a minus b. This is our choice, no problem. Number 12 done. Now number 13. This one we can copy one page, so we can take here. Now look, here is b square minus 4bc plus 4c square and b square minus 4c square divide c divide b minus 2c. So this one we can convert like a minus b whole square. This one we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. So similar here is, look, here is b square, we can write b square, and minus 2ab or means 2b, 2 is a 2, a means b, and then c. Look, we need again 2c. So 2 into 2 it means 4, and b into c means bc, plus 2c whole square. And here is b plus 2c times b minus 2c, based on a square minus b square formula. It means a plus b times a minus b. And here is divide, we can multiply denominator b minus 2c become numerator b minus 2c, and here is c. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know in comments box. Then this one we can write b minus 2c whole square, and here is b plus 2c times b minus 2c, and here is b minus 2c divide c. So this b minus 2c, this b minus 2c we can cut. So our answer will be b minus 2c whole square, b minus 2c whole square divided c into b plus 2c. It's not tough math, very easy, but we have to practice and practice for long or big math. So number 12 done, number 13 done. Now we will start number 14. Number 14, here is x plus 3xz divide x square into 3z square plus xz divide z square. If we take common here x, so here is 1 plus 3z. Again x square into, if we take common here z, so here is 3z plus x divide z square. So now here is x and here is x square, we can write x, and here is z and here is z square, so we can write here z. Once we cut x and z, so here 1 plus 3z times 3z plus x divide x z. This is our answer. Okay, so number 14 we complete. It means we complete our part 4. Part 1 we complete 1 to 5. Part 2 we completed 6 to 6, 7, 8. Part 3 we completed 9 to 11, and this part 4 we already complete 12 to 14. Okay, thank you very much being with me. If you have any question, just put on your comments in comments box.